Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 10th of September 2014 market review. The trade for the day is called Anglo Ashanti. The code is ANG. The action is going to be trading long from a low to a high, buying in. Last traded price was 168.66 rand. Entry level could be 169.31. Target will be the level of the green line here of 182.22 rand. Stop loss to be used is 165 rand. Shares to be exited today is called SA Breweries. 20th of August was a buying action. Entry level was 584 rand. And the last traded price is 612 rand. Still open trades is AGL, Billiton and Sanlam. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the blue line here of the top 40 shares of the JSE. The blue line is the index movement. Did touch on the 20-day moving average and started to touch the 5-day moving average as well. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials of the US markets, the previous close was on 17,111 points. That was Tuesday evening. Monday evening, and they actually went down 97 points on Tuesday evening, closing on a level of 17,013 points. So they close to the black line here again. As you can see, the last few weeks the channel was going to the sideways. Looking at the top 40 index, also in a sideways pattern. On the highs and the lows here, losing a bit of direction, and there could be expectation of a moderate opening today. Very flat on the sideways, and we need to track especially Friday's retail figures of the US market. Looking at some shares on the retail sector, looking at ShopRite, that come close to the 150 rand level, started to break down, broke the bottom here, and next expectation low could be back to this level here of about 141 rand. Currently trading at 144.86, still on the downward side. Looking at Mr. Price, also lost a lot of momentum, testing the previous low there. If it breaks it, the next low could be back here, and that low to be broken is about 207 rand. Next low could be back here, close to the 204 rand. Looking at Woolies, getting a bit of support here on the 73 rand levels, currently trading here at 73.98. Looking at the banking shares, also lost a lot of momentum, as you can see, coming down onto the bottoms here. And Standard Bank also came down in this downward spiral, broken the previous lows. Next expectation low is about 135.29, currently trading at 136.48. Looking at some of your telecommunication shares, MTN start to lose a bit of momentum here. The big question is, can it start losing the momentum a bit downwards? Take note, this share goes more upwards than downwards between the green and the red line, and it could come physically down from this high levels, but goes more upwards than it comes downwards. Take note of that. Vodacom also lost a bit of momentum, the same as Vodacom, MTN, in this upward channel. Started to break down. Next expectation lows back to the 150 levels. The share is trading at 132.10. Imperial currently testing that low of 189, 188, and it's currently trading at 188. Cycle is getting smaller in this momentum, so we need to see where our direction will go. Traders just rather have a look at the market, wait for the better direction, wait for confirmations. A lot of volatility still in the market. Ukraine and Russia are still in war. The last weekend about 5 soldiers were killed, so that ceasefire didn't last at all. Take note of American markets for Friday. Big retail numbers will come out, and Thursday is the job numbers coming out. The real reason for American markets to come down is because it was said on speculation that interest rates cut will happen much faster than expected in 2015. and the markets were a bit of a panic on that news that came through. Enjoy trading for the day, and chat later.